Harry Priddle sent me this picture taken at Norris Point. I got this morning. I'm not sure if this was taken today or yesterday, but overall, beautiful, beautiful picture looking back into the terrain there. You can see the blow-off of the snow coming off the high peaks. Perry, thank you very much for sharing that with me. If you've got photos like that, our website, Facebook, and my Twitter are the best ways to share them with me. Satellite and radar picture across Newfoundland and Labrador right now, showing us other than a little bit of cloud cover. It's pretty quiet out there. We back the view up. Let's see if it's going to do it. No. Hold on. There we go. We take a look at the wider picture here, and we can see some rain and snow working into portions of New Brunswick and Nova Scotia. Snow in blue, rain in green. These are the clouds there in white. And this is kind of the leading edge of some warm-ish air that's going to move in briefly for tomorrow and then be shunted southward on Friday. So for tomorrow, what we're going to see is some flurries pushing through Labrador overnight into tomorrow morning, and those work toward the coast. On the island, by 6 o'clock in the morning, waking up to some light rain or maybe even some light snow along the south and southwest coast. A few centimeters certainly possible here or there. By midday tomorrow, looking at some areas of light snow and flurries pushing through central, northeastern Newfoundland up towards St. Anthony. Around the Corner Brook area, we're seeing rain and snow, or flurries and showers, and then more rain and snow along the south coast. On the Burin-Avalon peninsulas, maybe a little bit of like light flurries around noon, but then we're just seeing spotty showers as we go into the afternoon. Those move off tomorrow evening. Tomorrow night looks mild, but then the weather gets more interesting for Friday. And when I say interesting, that's generally not a good thing for you. So here's what we see. Friday morning, 6 o'clock, we've got some snow working its way through southern parts of Quebec, working into New Brunswick, portions of PEI. But there's the mixed line in pink, and the rain is green. So watch what happens as we go into Friday midday. We've got snow by noon arriving in southwestern Newfoundland along parts of the south coast, while the Burin and Avalon peninsulas see rain moving in. By Friday evening, Burin, Avalon peninsulas are seeing the rain. Small mix or transition zone from rain to snow. Bonavista Peninsula, much of the south coast, central, western, southwestern Newfoundland. Friday evening, seeing snow in some areas. It will be heavy at times. And this, too, is going to be a relatively slow mover. So by midnight Friday night, we're still seeing the snow through portions of eastern Newfoundland. And on the Avalon, we're starting to see that transition line there in pink work its way down to the southeast. And look what happens by Saturday morning. Colder air moves in. We see a period of some snow across the Burin and Avalon peninsulas winding down, it looks like, by midday Saturday. So snowfall amounts are going to be highest where we see the most snowfall, which right now looks like it's going to be around the Bonavista Peninsula area and possibly along parts of the south coast. We're talking about 10, 15, maybe 20 centimeters. So not an extraordinary event, but a notable one nonetheless. As you get north and west of Corner Brook, not looking at a whole lot, and onto the Avalon and Burin peninsulas, because we see rain initially, we're not looking at a whole lot of snow, but after that transition as of now, looks like between 5 and 10, and this forecast will evolve and may change a bit between now and Friday. Tonight, -6 to -8 or so across eastern and northeastern Newfoundland. Skies are predominantly clear for tomorrow. Showers and flurries, winds picking up to 50, gusting out of the south. Highs a little above freezing. Western half of Newfoundland tonight, -2 to -10. With the rain and snow arriving for tomorrow, periods of showers and flurries or light rain and snow. Highs -1 to +4. In Labrador, a quiet and mild night with some flurries working in from west to east. And then for your day tomorrow, temperatures near freezing across the big land, but turning much colder by Friday. Your 5-day forecast for eastern Newfoundland will show rain Friday, in the morning snow Saturday, a quiet day Sunday, and Monday looking at a high near 0. For central, -1 Friday, snow likely, -8 Saturday, -3 Sunday, 0 Monday. For western Newfoundland, snow on Friday, a quiet and cold day Saturday, flurries on Sunday, and looking at more rain and snow for Monday. Right now that looks like more rain than snow. And into Labrador after the warm day tomorrow, look at Friday, -22 in the west, and we stay in the -teens through Sunday. In eastern Labrador, -teens Friday, Saturday, touch warmer Sunday, chance of snow on Monday.